Oops, I forgot to upload this video before now. For those of you who've watched our previous videos, you'd know that this is the vintage dresser that we needed to replace the top with a piece of plywood because the original top was bubbled and really in bad shape, just beyond repair. If you haven't watched the previous videos, I'd suggest you go watch the one that's titled Yikes, Top Ruined, and the other one that's called Don't Miss This. Those videos come before this one. So essentially in this video, we just blew off the dust before priming it, and then it's ready to paint. So that's it for this one. Stay tuned for the next videos, and we look forward to seeing you again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.